Ever craved a milkshake so silky it transports you back to your favorite diner? Prepare to revolutionize your treat game with the ultimate milkshake makers. From retro doublehead classics to sleek immersion blenders, we'll reveal the top machines that whip, blend, and elevate every sip to perfection. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Elite Gourmet EHB 2425X Electric Immersion Hand Blender, the best budget milkshake maker machine. Meet the Elite Gourmet EHB 2425X Electric Immersion Hand Blender, your budget-friendly companion for creamy milkshakes and more. This no-frills blender excels at blending, chopping, and mixing, making it a great addition to any kitchen. One major advantage is its 150-watt motor. It handles ice cream and tough ingredients like a pro, ensuring smooth results every time. Its simplicity makes it perfect for casual cooks or anyone who enjoys a hassle-free kitchen experience. Detachable parts simplify cleaning, allowing you to spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your creations. Compared to similar models, this immersion blender shines with its effectiveness. While others might struggle with thicker mixtures, this one powers through with ease. You'll find it surprisingly versatile, perfect for all kinds of recipes, from smoothies to sauces. What I appreciate most about this device is its straightforward design. You won't get lost in complicated features. Just plug it in and get blending. On the flip side, the lack of advanced settings might be a minor drawback for gourmet enthusiasts. Adjustments are limited, but some might view this as an advantage, given how it focuses on doing one thing well. The Elite Gourmet EHB 2425X offers exceptional value for your money. For those who want a reliable machine for milkshakes and beyond, give it a closer look. Stay tuned. Our next pick will shake up your party game. At number 4, we have Brentwood Classic Milkshake Maker, the best runner-up milkshake maker machine. Craving a perfect milkshake? Meet the Brentwood Classic Milkshake Maker. This charming appliance is more than just a pretty face. It excels at whipping up delicious shakes, smoothies, malts, and even cocktails. One standout feature is the ability to select high or low speed. This flexibility allows you to tailor the consistency of your drinks to your liking. Plus, the tumbler locks securely in place. No more messy spills while blending your favorite treats. You'll appreciate the stainless steel spindle, which ensures durability. This quality component suggests that your milkshake maker will serve you well for a long time. In comparison to other models, Brentwood shines with its vintage turquoise color, adding an elegant touch to your kitchen decor. What impressed me most about this product is its versatility. I made everything from fruity smoothies to thick, creamy milkshakes without breaking a sweat. Each batch turned out perfectly blended, thanks to the efficient motor. While I found the overall performance excellent, a longer power cord would enhance convenience during use. This minor tweak would boost the user experience even further. Brentwood earns its spot as the best runner-up milkshake maker. It combines style, functionality, and versatility, making it an ideal choice for anyone who enjoys delicious blended drinks. Keep watching. The following classic delivers diner-style perfection at home. Still searching for the perfect milkshake maker machine? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Cuisinart CSB 75BC Smart Stick, the best handheld milkshake maker machine. Ready to elevate your milkshake game? Cuisinart CSB 75BC Smart Stick proves to be the ultimate handheld milkshake maker. This blending stick combines simplicity and power, making it a standout in a crowded market. First, its ergonomic design enhances convenience. You can effortlessly hold it for extended periods, blending ice cream to perfection. Whether whipping up a classic chocolate shake or a fruity smoothie, comfort matters. A compact design also means it won't take valuable kitchen counter space. Versatility shines through with this tool. While it excels at mixing soft ingredients, it's best to stick to soft fruits or ice cream. This limitation actually keeps your blending focused and efficient, avoiding any issues common to traditional blenders. A sleek construction also allows easy cleaning and storage, which busy users will appreciate. One feature that stands out is its quiet operation. This sticks out compared to other models that rumble noisily while blending. Plus, you can blend without waking up the entire household. While mixing in chunks of toppings like chocolate or candies isn't its strongest suit, it encourages a more classic approach to milkshakes. The focus on smooth, creamy results creates a delightful balance. What do I love the most? Its straightforward process and user-friendly design. Hold tight. Up next is a handheld hero that masters milkshake magic. At number 2, we have Vevor doublehead milkshake machine, the best milkshake maker machine for parties. Get ready to elevate your party game with the Vevor doublehead milkshake machine. This device shines when it comes to whipping up delicious shakes for your guests. Unlike single-head models, this powerhouse makes 2 incredible shakes simultaneously. It spins at an impressive 36,000 RPM, ensuring a silky, smooth texture in every serving. One standout feature is its stainless steel construction. This material not only looks sleek on your counter, but also boasts excellent durability for years of use. Alongside its visual appeal, it withstands the rigors of heavy party use without losing its charm. What truly enhances your experience are the 2 old-fashioned stainless steel cups. These cups scream retro while providing just the right amount of volume for those thick shakes. Additionally, the transparent measuring cups made of PC help you pour precisely the right amount of ingredients, offering ease and accuracy in every creation. You'll love how quickly this machine operates. No one likes waiting for their favorite frozen drink, especially kids. With its double head feature, you'll keep everyone happy and satisfied without delay. On the other hand, it's slightly bulkier than some models. This means it requires a bit more countertop space. Don't blink. The coming double head dynamo doubles your fun instantly. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Hamilton Beach DrinkMaster Classic Drink Mixer, the best milkshake maker machine overall. Ready to whip up delicious milkshakes at home? Hamilton Beach DrinkMaster. Classic Drink Mixer makes it easy and fun. After extensive testing, it stands out as the best milkshake maker for serious fans of creamy treats. This model features 2 speeds. Use the lower speed for delicate blending or crank it up for crushing ice. You'll end up with smooth, thick concoctions that rival your favorite diner shakes. The 28-ounce cup is large enough for generous servings, meaning you can savor your creations without constant refills. Aesthetically, this silver mixer adds a touch of class to any countertop. Its vintage look draws compliments and adds charm to your kitchen. Versatile in use, this mixer accommodates various ingredients. From classic vanilla to adventurous combinations like Reese's, imagination is your only limit. One significant advantage? Cleanup is a breeze. The detachable mixing cup simplifies washing, making post-milkshake cleanup less of a chore. On the downside, the base is a bit heavier than some competitors. While this adds stability, it can make moving it slightly cumbersome. What truly shines about this product is its ability to deliver consistently creamy milkshakes. Every drink you create becomes a celebration of flavor and texture. When wanting a reliable addition to your kitchen that goes beyond just milkshakes, this mixer proves its worth. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best milkshake maker machines. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which milkshake maker machine you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.